Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another video. I wanted to share a little Christmas gift that I made for some of our staff members. And they are little, they're like little pockets with lip balms or chapsticks. Okay, so let me show you what I did. So I did use a die. It is called Frame Back Ornate number 3 from Sizzix. And it looks like this. So that would be it. And I used a whole bunch of just different Christmas pattern paper. Okay, here's another one. It's already been cut. And I also used, this is also another Sizzix die. It's like a thinlet. And this is what I used to cut the little labels. Okay. And then I did use just a regular stamp that says Merry Christmas. I did use my crocodile to cut. So what I did was I folded the die. And then I just kind of centered it in the middle. Where I thought would be the middle. And then I just punched it. And I did it while it was folded so it would be even. And that's all I did. I was going to make one really quickly with you just to show you how I did that. So once I did that, once I cut them all and I stamped them, I did get the lip balm, and the lip balms were all from different brands. So, and I got them in different places. So there's one. This one is from, got it at TJ Maxx. There was 6 for $5.99. So pretty much $1 each. This one was, let's see, also TJ Maxx, $3.99. And this one had 4 lip balms. I think this one was from here. And then another lip balm, TJ Maxx for $4.99. So every time I would go to TJ Maxx, every now and then I would just grab one, knowing that I was going to do something like this. Then this is another one that I used. This is from Costco. And this one I don't remember how much it cost, but that's what I used. I used just a whole bunch of different collections of lip balms. Okay. And I for sure wanted some that were going to be for men. So these for sure I use for the men because they don't look like women's. Like this one kind of looks like it's for a woman. And then the ones that I use for the men, let me see if I can find one here. See, it's right there. So it's a thinner, a chapstick. Okay, so let me show you what I did then. So what I did do is that I did get some of that double-sided tape. And I just put a piece on it, did it at an angle. And then I would remove the backing. And then I just kind of would, since I folded it to do the punched hole, you kind of already centered it. And then all I did was just try to center it. I wasn't trying to be perfect or anything. And there it is. And I just kind of hold it down. And then, so I didn't show you this, but all I did was, when I did that part, all I did was, this was perfect because of the squarish part of the die. I just centered it in there, and then I just glued it also with just regular glue stick. And then just kind of held it down. So I did this, I started doing them last week and then to today. So then that's it. I just glued it. I taped it down and then got some of this twine. And then, oh wait, I didn't use a twine for this one. Sorry, getting mistaken for, I had done these last time and I did put the twine. No, for this one I actually got ribbon. So these are the ones that I used. So then I just cut to size. And then I inserted it. And I didn't use up a lot of ribbon since it's just a small little packaging. And then I use my stapler. I had thought about gluing it. I had thought about sewing it. I had thought about also just tying it, but I wanted to use the least amount of materials as I could because I was just making too many. Okay, and then all I did was hold it in and stapled. And that was it. It's a really simple little gift idea. And we're giving away to about 20, 25 people. So this was a lot to do. It was not terribly expensive. It's a nice little gift that I hope that they like. And let's see, I can show this one again. So all I did was remove it, kind of center it here, and then roll it into itself. And then, you know, I just used any type of ribbon that I had. I think that kind of matched it. And then insert it. I mean, I know that this is going to be thrown away, so I did not want to invest a lot of money in it. I see all these projects that people create, and they put a lot of money into it, but we all know that it's just going to be thrown. And I'm just, I hate waste. So then I just insert it in there, and then I staple. And there you go. So what I did decide to do from the last time, I had done a whole bunch of these last week that I was also going to gift. But then I thought, well, it just seemed like too small of a gift to give to someone, especially for the amount of work that they helped me with. So I figured then that I was going to come and insert this here. And so that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do it here. So what I did was I just untied what I had already done. I inserted it through the little hole. And then I will just combine it together. Then tie a bow. And that's it. So this is what they will get. They will get the little chapstick, lip balm with the gift tags, Christmas gift tags that they can put on their own Christmas gifts. And I hope that they like it. I did, like I said, I made a lot of them. So this would be more to a man because it's just a regular lip balm that doesn't show any, doesn't look like a girl's lipstick like the one I just did. And some of them will have the tags. I think it's about 10 of them that will have the tags. They came out very, very cute. I hope they like them. It's just a small gesture. And then some of them will not have the gift tags because I didn't make it for all of them. So I think my husband's going to be giving them out to some of his clerks and secretaries. And I'll be giving them out to other teachers that, like I said, help me out a lot. Well, they're very patient, I should say. They're very patient in helping me out. And that is it. I think that they turned out cute. Like I said, not very expensive. Maybe $1, a little bit over $1 for each one. And then just the time that you put into it. So I did this in, it maybe took me about maybe 2 hours to complete all of them. But that's it. I hope this is a nice gift idea. You can, I can see doing this for maybe Valentine's Day, any holiday really. Just change up the paper. And they always sell these lip balms in really pretty packaging. So that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.